Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that you might want to turn off in terms of privacy, if anything that is shared with a Microsoft account that is shared between apps and Windows is something that you don't really like, maybe you have, don't just feel like you don't want to have is too much information being synchronized to the cloud and shared with Microsoft. One of the settings that has a lot more to do with privacy in terms of, using Windows and, of course, a Microsoft account and different apps is the sharing of your search between apps and in the cloud. Now, if you go and right-click on the Start menu button, go into Settings. Here, you will go into Privacy and Security. Go down to Search Permissions. Here you'll see it's going to ask you, and you'll have the info here, Cloud Content Search. And it says Windows Search can personalize your results by including content from OneDrive, SharePoint, and so on. So by having this on, it means that you have more variety and information about the things that you might be searching for, including get content from your personal OneDrive. But at the same time, all these apps need to communicate to your Microsoft account, and of course the search that you'll be doing will be shared technically in the cloud. So that might be a problem for you. Maybe you don't want that. So you can of course search, just remove it from Microsoft account. You can also remove it from work or school account. You can just remove it from one if you want to, or turn off both so that the results will not actually be shared. And this means you'll have more privacy because now those search results won't be searching for cloud content, and of course will not be shared the same way or at all with any other apps that you might be using. So it is a privacy concern for some people. So here's a way to turn it off if you wish to turn it off. And after that, less data being shared, less of your personal life being in the cloud. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.